Okay, Google, switch on the diffuser.
Sure, turning the diffuser on.
Alexa, switch off the diffuser.
Okay.
Alexa, switch on the diffuser.
Okay.
Welcome back. Today, we'll show you how to control your diffuser with Alexa and Google Assistant. Get ready to transform your home with delightful scents at your command. Let's dive in. In this tutorial, we're going to need 3 things. Number 1 is the Smart Wi-Fi Diffuser, which you can buy online or in a retail shop. Read the product description to make sure it can connect to Alexa or Google Assistant. Number 2 is the smart apps such as Alexa, Google Home, and the Tuya Smart app. And number 3, an internet connection. Let's begin. First, we're going to have to install the Tuya Smart app. Tuya Smart is a free app that allows you to control your smart devices from your smartphone or tablet. The app can be used to control a wide range of smart devices, including lights, switches, plugs, thermostats, and more. It is available for both iOS and Android devices. Then you're going to have to create an account for first-time user or login if you are already using the Tuya Smart app. Grant the necessary permissions for the Tuya Smart app to run smoothly. Review the permissions and ensure you are comfortable granting them to the app. To ensure the diffuser is in pairing mode before connecting, press and hold the pairing button or switch for a few seconds until you see a flashing light or an indicator that the diffuser is in pairing mode. Before connecting the diffuser, be sure to connect your smartphone to a Wi-Fi network. Please note that certain devices only work with a 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi connection.
I found diffuser from the Tuya Smart Store. To control it, say, turn on diffuser.
Well done on finishing the Tuya app configuration. Now it's time to conduct some tests on the diffuser. This includes tasks like switching it on and off, experimenting with the spray modes, and exploring various LED color options. After completing the diffuser testing, the next crucial step is to establish a connection between the Tuya Smart app and both Alexa and Google Assistant. To accomplish this, you need to install the Alexa app and Google Home from Play Store or App Store, create your account, and then proceed with linking the Tuya Smart app. After successfully linking Tuya Smart app with Google Home, the diffuser should be visible among the linked devices. And for Alexa, open the app and search for Tuya Smart Skills and enable it. Choose the device you prefer for voice commands, either your smartphone or your Amazon Echo Dot if you own one. Congratulations, and welcome to the world of home automation. You now have the ability to control your diffuser using your voice through either Alexa or Google Assistant. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to Ninja Tech for more home automation tutorials like this. Have a great day.